Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if vector A equals this, A dot B equals this, A cross B equals this, then find vector B. This is very unique question. Now, look at this. You know vector A, now you need vector B. So, vector B will contain what? B1I plus B2J plus B3K. So, it is three components. So if it is three variable, we need three equation, but we have one equation and one equation. So we have two equations, three variables. So you know that we cannot solve this question easily. So we have to think differently. If you will observe in this question, it contains dot as well as cross. So if it contains dot as well as cross, we should think about exactly vector triple product. In vector triple product, we have A cross B cross C. As A cross B is given, so I'll give priority to A cross B. Now, suppose that if it is A cross B, how will you expand? You will write the middle vector B minus what is the remaining thing in the bracket? Vector A. So you will be writing vector A over here. Now, if you wrote vector B, what are the leftover things? It is A dot C. If you are dealing with vector A, what are the remaining things? B dot C. So this is the expansion. But you know that in this question we have A and B only. We cannot introduce another vector C. So for time being, can I replace this C vector with A vector if you don't mind? Because if I'll like replace this with B, it will become more complicated. Okay, A is known, that's why I'm substituting A. So the place where we have C, I will be writing A. Okay, and then everything copy paste. Now it is A cross B, it is A B, it is B A. We have minus. Now A cross B is what? This. Okay, now look at this. Instead of solving this, just apply A cross B over here, or just proceed now. So you know that A cross B is J minus K, and who is A? A is I+j+k. We can solve this thing. A dot A is what? Mod A square. Mod A is what? Root 2. Root 2 square is what? 2b. So can I write 2b minus A dot B? So who is A dot B? Is 1. 1 time A. 1 time A is I minus J. Now we need to solve this cross product to get the final result done. So suppose this is vector A, this is vector B. So can I write A cross B as I+j+k 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So we will have 1 plus 1 j, 0 plus 1 k. K will be 0 minus 1. Now we will have 2i minus j minus k. Now can I write 2i minus j minus k? Now I will send this I this side. So plus I plus j by 2 equals vector b. Now simplify things. So vector b will become 3i minus k by 2. Okay. So the required vector B is this. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.